Are COVID-19 vaccines safe in pregnancy?
Dina Bair has the latest from local researchers.
It's a struggle for many expectant parents, and there are limited studies to help in the decision-making process. That's why researchers are stepping in, searching for signs of trouble. When it comes to COVID-19, the risks for pregnant women are well documented. Hospitalizations and ICU admissions are higher.
As the uterus grows bigger, there's compression of the lung space, right? And so there's not as much area for ventilation or exchange of air.
And the immune system plays a role.
Part of the issue is that, yes, the maternal body, the mother's body is working harder. Her heart is circulating a lot more blood.
The good news?
Most pregnant women do fine, and they recover, and their baby does fine.
When the vaccines arrived, celebration and questions. Pregnant women were left out of clinical trials.
Yeah, as soon as the vaccines came out, we started getting emails.
Pregnant people have been put in a really tough place where there just hasn't been data.
To help bridge the safety information gap, Northwestern Medicine doctors look to the placenta for any possible signs of harm caused by the fast-track immunizations.
For our perspective, we think about the placenta as sort of like the black box in an airliner.
It's a remarkable tool. The placenta not only sustains life, it delivers oxygen and nutrients and keeps a developing baby safe from infection and the outside world. It even tracks problems that can arise during pregnancy.
If the pregnancy is normal and everything is going fine, you really shouldn't find any abnormalities there. If something bad happens, then looking at the placenta is one of the most straightforward ways to figure out if something is going on.
In the lab, they looked at placentas from 120 vaccinated and 200 unvaccinated women.
So the good news is that in this cohort study comparing placentas of pregnant women who got vaccination during their pregnancy, comparing them to controls who didn't get vaccination, there's absolutely no difference in the placenta. There are no increased risks in any of the harms that we looked for, and we took a pretty deep dive to make sure that we weren't missing anything.
Their investigation revealed another finding. In women who received the COVID-19 vaccine, antibodies crossed the placental barrier, providing passive immunity to the fetus. The same happens when expectant mothers receive influenza and pertussis vaccines.
The placenta has a specialized protein that captures antibodies from the maternal circulation and carries them over into the fetal circulation. It's a feature. It's something that the placenta is supposed to be doing.
And so I hope this can flip our narrative a little bit from, wanting to avoid the risks of the vaccination to wanting to get the benefits of the vaccination for your baby.
Researchers will be studying pregnancy in the COVID era for decades to come. Long-term data tracking babies in utero at the time of the 1918 Spanish flu shows a higher risk for heart disease and lower incomes. Back to you.